What's up, YouTube? We about to get a mukbang started. We got Bobo China right now. China. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ Murder Mo.
And your girl Kyla, what's up?
And we coming to y'all with our first video. Mac Family Enterprise. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment.
Yes.
And we coming to you guys with a mukbang from Bobo China, so stay tuned. Let's get it. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ Murder Mo.
I'm Kyla. Hey, what's up?
And we coming to y'all, give y'all a mukbang from Bobo's Chinaman. So I heard a lot of good things about this place, so I'm trying to see what's going on.
Right, let's see how it goes.
So I want y'all to check that out. Oh, I wasted over the table. Excuse my language, y'all.
So I want y'all to check that out. Oh, I wasted all over the table.
My bad, y'all. I wasted all over the table, but there it go. That's nice. You see? I got me some duck sauce. We got some. What the hell is this?
What the hell is this?
I ordered fried shrimp.
I guess this is fried shrimp.
Comment below and tell me if this is shrimp, because it don't look nothing like a shrimp. So please comment and let them know. So we got some
Lo mein.
Got some lo mein.
Lo mein noodles. Okay,
And
you like? Let us know. And we got some beef and broccoli right here. That's a traditional favorite. So we're gonna see if
Beef and broccoli.
Bobo's China is off the chain with their beef and broccoli.
And then we
finna find out.
And then we got the fried rice.
Fried rice.
No
is
meat.
always good. You gotta be careful where you eat at.
So we got the soy sauce. You already know what I'm talking about. They might say there's no damn soy sauce, but that's what I call it. Okay. Let's say our grace.
Okay.
Lord, thank you for this food you're about to receive. All right. So I got to put the sweet and sour on top of the rice. Oh, we gotta leave some there for the shrimp. So yeah.
Stick it in.
All right, so we're gonna put some of this noodles. Check out these noodles, y'all. Yeah, buddy. Put some of the noodles in there. We gotta put all of them in there, just a little bit. All right. You got a fork, don't you, right?
No. I ain't got no fork.
That's it. Wait. Oh, you tripping? Oh, gotta let you guys see the egg foo young up close.
This is shrimp egg foo young.
Fire, y'all. Make sure you guys comment and like and subscribe to the page. And also, we got on You See It Entertainment page. It's UCITENT. Go check us out. We got plenty of music about to hit y'all with. So
links will be below.
Stay tuned.
Of course.
So,
What about you? You get some good sleep?
yeah. So, me and my boys.
I'm gonna break this one up.
Me and my boys, we just got this the latest Pro Tools right now. The latest Pro Tools out. I got my boy Black behind the scenes. We about to drop some beats on y'all boys. So stay tuned for that. We got a whole bunch of projects coming to y'all. So stay tuned. And we got videos coming.
Yeah, let us know what y'all like to see. Do you guys like mukbangs mostly? You like watching people cook? Dancing? Like, we got a little of all of that in our family. We got a big family and we finna bring it all to you. So, you know.
That's right.
We like the support.
So,
we support other people as well.
So comment below some things that you guys want to see us do. Don't forget it's a family page, so nothing crazy.
None too much.
Say that for the UC page, okay? Right. That's fire right there. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, yeah. So
it's all right today. The egg foo young. I've had it at certain places and it was salty.
Oh, by the way, make sure you guys go follow TT's house and follow Robin Reality. There's some really good content on there.
Their subscriptions will be below as well. So,
so go check that out. It's going down. Look at that! Really look at that, y'all. The noodles. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The rice is good.
I like the rice too. I like their rice a lot. It actually doesn't need meat in order to be flavorful, so that's a good thing.
The beef and broccoli is pretty good.
I like the beef and broccoli for sure.
I had better. St. Louis is better.
Seems like St. Louis is better in everything. In every way. The lo mein I can't really do by itself, but it does taste really good with the beef and broccoli. So if you haven't had it, try it. You'll be surprised. What about the shrimp? The weird looking shrimp. I don't know.
Let's try this.
It looked kind of scary. How does it taste?
Garbage.
So, don't get the fried shrimp from Bobo's. I guess it's garbage. But everybody has their own opinion, so let us know if you like it.
Facts.
What you drinking on?
What's that? Blue Gatorade?
I think the Mountain Blast Gatorade, possibly. I got me some Big Red childhood drink. Like,
if you guys would like to donate to this channel, I'm gonna leave a link in below so you guys can donate to this channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like.
So, seems like we almost done eating, but a little bit about ourselves just to let y'all like get a feel of us. What you want to talk about?
Well, you tell them.
So we're married. We got 4 kids. 4. Can you believe 4? How many kids y'all got? Let us know. What else?
That's it.
What else you want to talk about?
I ain't got nothing to say.
He always got something to say, except for now.
I'm just playing.
Now, I'm a manager, so like I work so many hours. So we kind of doing this YouTube just, you know, for fun, just to have something to do during COVID.
Yeah.
You know, give a little bit of something for the kids to do. Should be fun.
Look out for the kids. The kids coming soon for y'all. So check them out. So
Yes.
make it happen.
My husband does music, so he does.
I think you already know I do music.
Or the You See It app. Or the You See It page. I apologize. Keep a lookout. We got music coming. We're gonna do more mukbangs. We probably do some cooking stuff with the kids. dancing. We love dancing over here. So if y'all want to see anything specific, just let us know. Comment down below.
Comment down below if you know what the hell this is. They say this is a fried shrimp.
So is it good? Let them know if it's good.
This is right here, just like the like on that one song. Have you, like what my boy Fabulous said? My boy Fabulous said, he said, "Have you in the trunk curled up like fried shrimp?" This is kind of what I got in my brain. So this is the end of the video, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for your time. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
and comment.
and come back.
Yeah.
We coming. We coming. Yes, we coming. Yeah.